Today's topic is drug of choices. Drug of choice for treatment of falciparum malaria in northeastern states of India is artemether lumefantrine. Drug of choice for prophylaxis before caesarean section is cefazolin. Treatment of choice for trichomonas vaginalis is metronidazole. Drug of choice for treatment of sickle cell anemia in children is hydroxyurea. Pyridostigmine is the first line drug of choice in treatment of symptomatic myasthenia gravis. Drug of choice for neurogenic diabetes insipidus is desmopressin. Methylphenidate is drug of choice for treatment of ADHD in children. Drug of choice for acute alcohol withdrawal is benzodiazepines. Rocuronium is the drug of choice during routine intubation in pediatric patients. IV naloxone is the drug of choice for acute morphine overdose. Treatment of choice for multiparous women of older age with chronic PID is hysterectomy with bilateral salpingo-oophorectomy. Antithyroid drug of choice for thyroid storm following radioactive iodine therapy is propylthiouracil. Drug of choice for treatment of arthritis in rheumatic fever is aspirin. Dapsone is the drug of choice for treatment of dermatitis herpetiformis. Drug of choice for acute treatment of PSVT is adenosine. Drug of choice for prevention of acute mountain sickness is acetazolamide. Epinephrine is drug of choice for treating bradycardia in infants and children. Neuromuscular blocker of choice in cirrhotic patients is atracurium. Praziquantel is drug of choice for schistosomiasis. SSRIs are drug of choice in panic disorder. Benzodiazepines are used in panic attacks. Heparin is the agent of choice for surgery requiring cardiopulmonary bypass. Drug of choice for hidatitis disease is albendazole. Drug of choice for juvenile myoclonic epilepsy is sodium valproate. Drug of choice for ethylene glycol poisoning is fomepizole. Loop diuretics are diuretics of choice in treating hypertension in patients having low glomerular filtration rate. Acetaminophen is the initial analgesic of choice for patients of osteoarthritis. Propranolol is the drug of choice in the management of infantile hemangioma complicated by ulceration or in symptomatic patients. Gold standard for the treatment of acute non-focal brucellosis in adults is IM streptomycin with doxycycline. Treatment of choice for type 1 bipolar disorder is lithium. Tetracycline is the drug of choice for prophylaxis of cholera. Proton pump inhibitors are drug of choice in Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. Gentamicin or streptomycin is drug of choice for treatment of tularemia. Drug of choice in management of metastatic gastrointestinal stromal tumors is imatinib. Tenofovir is used as a first-line drug in preventing vertical transmission of hepatitis B from mother to fetus. Drug of choice for rat bite fever is penicillin. Drug of choice for treatment of central precocious puberty is GnRH agonist. Drug of choice for filamentous fungal keratitis is natamycin eye drops. Drug of choice for river blindness is ivermectin. Drug of choice for Rocky Mountain spotted fever is doxycycline. Drug of choice for onchocerciasis is ivermectin. Grizophilvin is drug of choice for tinea capitis in children. Drug of choice for Bordetella pertussis is erythromycin. Drug of choice for Haemophilus meningitis is cefotaxime. IV acyclovir is drug of choice for HSV encephalitis. Nystatin is drug of choice for fungal pharyngitis. Fluconazole is drug of choice for coccidial meningitis. Drug of choice for flytannular conjunctivitis is topical steroids. Drug of choice for American trypanosomiasis is benzimidazole. Cladribine is drug of choice for hairy cell leukemia. Drug of choice for type 3 hyperlipoproteinemia is fibrates.